Hey, what's going on, guys? My name is The Global Legacy, and today I have an amazing video for you, actually. I wanted to show you guys my very first PC build ever. This is a really sweet thing I want to show you guys. So, yeah, let's start off. I'm not even going to show it to you. First show you the parts that are in it. Of course, we got the AMD Phenom 2, did an unboxing of that. We have the MSI 890 GXM motherboard, which, there's the box for that. I have a GTX 550 Ti, which is my my graphics card, but I can't show you guys that because I bought it refurbished, so it didn't come in a box. I have some G.skill RAM, which is somewhere around here. I don't want to really look for it either. We got a RAID Max Altus case, and we got a Seagate Momentous XT hard drive. It's a hybrid drive. It's like half hard disk drive and half kind of like the SSD. Okay, so let's jump into this. Ready? This is the moment of truth. Bump, 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 bump. There we go, baby. Here is the side view, side panel, so you can see everything. Here, let's turn on my iPod really bright so I can show you guys everything is inside. Oh, it doesn't really show. Alright, so there's the CPU fan, and this entire thing is the motherboard. Everything around here. Right there is the G.skill RAM. It looks really sweet in there. It's dual channel, so I have it separated. This is my GTX 550 Ti. It's the EVGA version. It's on the back. It has 2 DVI ports, 1 mini HDMI, and then of course the exhaust. Looking really sweet. There's kind of my wiring setup. It's not the best wiring at all, to the slightest. I'm not very good at this whole wiring thing. That's not a very good light at all. Here are the things to hold in the optical drives. I only have one in though. And there are things to hold in your hard drives, but I only have one in also right there. Let's see, anything else to show you in here? There's a blue fan. Looks pretty cool. There's my RAID Max power supply. It's only a 500 watt, but I don't think I would need any more. We got my desktop badges, which are AMD Phenom 2, and my G.skill RAM desktop badge. On top, we have 2 USB ports. Those are both 2.0s. There is a microphone and a headphone jack, 3.5 millimeter. There are some LEDs for hard drive and power. Here we have some ventilation, kind of. Let's see if I can kind of focus into this. Here's my Asus optical drive, my one. We have these things which can open up to put more optical drives in, which I'm not going to need. And here's a nice vent right here, which is going to, or it's mesh metal in the front, so it's going to show you like a nice blue LED. It's pretty sweet. On the back here, it's actually just off my monitor, which isn't even plugged into my graphics card. It's plugged into the onboard graphics on the motherboard, just so I can set up everything. Alright, come on, baby. There we go. Alright, so on the back here, we have that was the wrong way to put this. This is a mouse / keyboard thing. Jack. This is a DVI port, a VGA port, which is good for my monitor, because I obviously have a VGA monitor, which is going to be, I'm going to have to get an adapter for the DVI. Down there, here is all the sound jacks. There is a mic, a left out, a left in, a SS out, a CS out, and a RS out. We have 2 USB 3.0s, 4 USB 2.0s on the back. We have an Ethernet cable, and HDMI cable, actually, which kind of surprised me because the onboard graphics aren't very good. Here we have some, I forget what those are called, like the little holes that you can kind of, pass wires through, but I don't use those because I am the Global Legacy. And I kind of like keeping everything in there just all nice and tidy. So let's flip that switch on right now. You'll see there's no lights on here right now. Turned on. Here we'll press the power button. That was already on. Press power button. You can hear booting up. and it's actually really silent. Like, I know it sounds, I don't know, it might sound reasonably loud, but as you can see, it's got a blue LED light up. There's a fan, and it looks sick. Here is, you probably can't see that. Kind of try to show you, but it's my CPU fan, the heatsink. That's going. That blue fan is going. The 550 Ti fan is going, and you can see the front, like I told you, the meshed metal, and then you can see the blue fan through that, and it looks sick, like no joke. And then you can see underneath the actually, let's flip this around so you can see upside down. You can see underneath the case, it lights up. And the sweet thing about this case actually is that the power supply, it goes down. The fan goes downward, so it blows all the hot air out the bottom instead of going up towards your CPU. So your CPU will stay nice and cool. Pretty sweet. Actually, what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna come over here and turn off the lights. Now, this is not gonna look very sweet, but as you can see, there's the. Well, I'm putting my hand over now. Now it's off. That is the power indicator. So now you can kind of get a good look at this sweet setup that I have going on in here. Just like these sick LEDs, and it looks really awesome when it's dark in here. Like, you really kind of have to be here to see this whole setup. Yeah, really awesome. Alright, so, for a mouse, I'm just using some weird, just mouse that I found at Walmart for like $5. It's a laser mouse, but it's nothing special. And for a keyboard, I think I'm going to use my eMachines keyboard, and I'm using this eMachines monitor. And it's actually a pretty nice monitor. It's, I don't know, that's probably 14 inches. It's not huge, but it's not tiny either. Pretty nice. You know what I'm saying? Yes, you do. Alright. So let's see if there's anything I left out here. Not really. I have, right here. My hard drive's actually not installed. So there is the hybrid drive. It's very small, way smaller than I thought it was going to be. It's a Momentus XT 500 gigabyte. Not huge, but it's a hybrid drive, and it is fast like an SSD, and has kind of a large capacity like a HDD. Pretty nice. I don't really know what this thing does. It came in the motherboard thing, which actually, I'm kind of surprised how old this motherboard was when I got it, because I thought it was going to be newer. It's actually about as old as the Phenom 2, which is probably 2010. So it's a couple years old. The GeForce GTX 550 Ti is not the newest graphics card, but it is probably the biggest bang for your buck that you can get. Yeah, I need actually a SATA port or a SATA cord right now, and a rail so I can put my hard drive right there. Oh wow, that's actually really cool right here when you put your hand in front of the fan, which I'm surprised. It's really silent for being, it's high velocity as fans are going. Of course, you can put your hand right here and feel the fan. The heatsink is obviously blowing towards the the CPU though, and the motherboard, of course. Yeah, there's really nothing else I can say to you guys about this. There you can kind of see it a little bit better when I focus this in. You can kind of see the RAM a little bit right there. Yeah, but if you guys enjoyed this video, this has been probably the most fun that I've had in a long time was building this PC. That took me a couple hours. And hope you guys enjoyed this video. And let's give you a view of the other side real quick. See nothing special. And, oh geez, if you guys heard that, I just tripped over the power cord and I unplugged it. But it's not a huge problem, I bet. I just kind of wanted to show you that the side panel is this meshed metal. So you can see the inside still, and it looks pretty cool. Alright, so you just saw me fail real quick. And, yeah, Global Legacy. You'll be seeing a lot of PC videos from me now. I'm a PC gamer now. We're opening up the community channel in probably a week. See you guys next time. Peace.